Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Opencart Multi-Vendor Marketplace Mobile Application. And in the previous video we showed you how the mobile application for the multi-vendor marketplace appears on the Android devices and how the marketplace vendors can access their account panel options along with the customers as well. Now in today's video tutorial I'll be showing you the backend configuration for this particular Opencart Multi-Vendor Marketplace mobile application. I'll be showing you how the components can be used to configure your home page and much more. But before we proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So now let's hop onto the admin backend panel and let's see the initial configuration first, wherein we'll be showing you the usage of the components for configuring the home screen and of the mobile device itself, and then we'll see the rest of the options there itself. So I'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering my username and the password. Now after you have configured the Webkul mobile app builder and installed it properly, you'll find the Webkul option on the side panel. Under that you'll find banners, notifications, featured, carousel, category, custom collection and the augmented reality. We'll come to these options in a while, but before that let's see the initial configuration settings for the same for the mobile application. So for that we'll be navigating through extensions, then we'll be choosing modules under this particular section here, here we'll go to the Webkul itself and we'll be tapping on the edit button thereafter. And here we are on the edit Webkul module section. Here we have two different tabs. One is the general setting tab, having the general configuration settings for the mobile application itself, and then we have the home page setting, wherein you can find these components on the very left hand side that can be added onto the home page here. And after you have added these components, at that very moment you'll be able to see them within this preview window as well. Now let's check this home page settings first. So for example, if you want to add, here you can see that at the top of the mobile application home page we have set the banners at the top. If I want, I can change the position of the banners one step down, and the category icons would now be at the top. So that's how you can drag and drop these. For example, if I want popular products to be at the top, I can take the popular products at the top, and the same is visible here. Now on the mobile application as well, the same components where you have dropped the components would be visible after you have made the changes. For example, you want to add latest products at the end, I'll tap and latest products would be added in the end, as you can see. And I want to add best products at the end, I'll add best products and the best products would be added. You don't need to save it each time there. As soon as you have edited it, it would be saved and would be visible and applicable on the mobile app as well. You can also delete these components by tapping on the delete button, as you can see. For example, let me delete these components. So right now you can see that the mobile application homepage is completely empty for now. For example, if I want to have the category icons at the top, I'll add the category icons. Then I want to add the popular products below that, I can add the popular products, then the best products, featured products, latest products, and I want latest products to be just below the category icon, so I can do that. And here are the latest products under the category icons. So this is how you can set up the home page for your mobile application itself very easily. Now coming to the general section, here you'll be able to enable or disable the Webkul mobile functionality by choosing enable or disable there. Then we have the general settings, wherein you need to enter the API key here, and here you need to enter the API key and the API password for the mobile application, along with the FCM authorization key. And this FCM authorization key helps in sending the push notifications to the customers on the mobile device itself. Then we have the edit application settings. Here what you can do is, this is for the mobile app on your web marketplace store. You can display the Play Store link or the Apple Play Store link by enabling these options, and then you can add the Play Store link, Apple Play Store link as required. Then you can set it to be visible on the top or visible on the bottom of your website there. and the customers can access those links for downloading the mobile marketplace app from the Play Store or from the Apple Store itself. Then we have the shipping methods. These are the shipping methods for the mobile application itself, and these are the payment methods that we have selected for the mobile application there. So these were the initial configuration settings, the general one and the home page configuration settings. Thereafter you need to just tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. Now coming to the Webkul section, here we have the banners, notifications, featured products, carousel categories, custom collection, and the augmented reality products. So let's go through each of them one by one. So I'll just be giving you an overview of what different options are there, how we can create the banners, notifications, and the other options. For more detailed information, you can check the user guide that I've attached within the description of this particular video itself. So let's go to the banners section first. So here you'll find the complete list of banners that you've already added. To add a new banner, you'll have to tap here on the add new banner, and the banner can be of product type or of the category type. If you have chosen product type, then it would be of the product type. Here you need to set the title according to your store view. For example, here you can see that it's in the English and in the Arabic. If you have a category type, you can choose a category type for the same. Now, for example, if you've chosen it the banner type as the product type, then whenever a customer taps on the banner, he'll be redirected to a product. Otherwise, if category type is chosen, then he'll be redirected to a particular category. So for the chosen product type, here you have to enter the name of the product, for example, where the customer should be redirected, and here you can add the banner image as well. For category, you'll have to select the category from here. As I've chosen here category, you can see now categories have appeared, and according to that you can create a banner for the product type or the category type of a banner there. To delete any of the banners, you can tap on the remove button there, and to add, you can tap on the add button, select the details, and then tap on the save button itself. Now coming to the notification section, here the web store admin will find the complete list of notifications that he has created. To send a particular notification, he need to select that particular notification and then tap here on the send notification. Apart from that, he can edit any of the created notifications by tapping on the edit button. To add a new notification, he can tap here on the add notification button, and that would bring up the new notification manager section, wherein he'll be able to add a new notification. So he'll have to set up the notification title according to the store waves, set up the notification content, choose the notification type as whether it's for a product type, a category type, other type, or a custom one. So if it's a custom one, then you have to select the custom collection, then you can choose the custom collection. Now this comes from this particular section, custom collection. So if you have created a custom collection, that would then be visible here under the custom collection. For a product type, you'll have to enter the product ID or the category ID. So here you can choose the product if it's of a product type. If I've chosen it as category, then you can choose the particular category for the notification there. You have to set the notification status as enabled or disabled as required and add the banner to it, and thereafter you have to tap on the save button. If you want to send and save at the same time, then you can tap here on the send and save notification. You can also edit any of the created notifications by tapping on the edit button. So if I tap here on the edit button, here you can find the details of the notification that we have created of the product type itself, and here's the product that we have added, here's the notification status and the banner for the same. Now coming to the featured one, here you can choose the featured product. So you have to tap here and you have to select the featured products that you want to add. According to that, the featured products would be added here. You can remove any of the product that you do not want to keep as featured product by tapping on the minus sign. Otherwise, to add more, just tap here, select your product as I'm doing it, and these would be then the featured products. So this is an autocomplete feature for the products there, and then just tap here on the save button to save the featured products. Now coming to the carousels, here you can easily create the carousels, and to add a new carousel, you can tap here on the add button. To remove a carousel, you can tap on the remove button. You can also set up the sort order, the image, and you can choose the manufacturer link as well. To add a new carousel, just tap here on the add button and then tap here, and according to the required manufacturer, you can select the manufacturer here automatically, For example, if I type Apple has automatically populated there. So depending upon the manufacturers that you have created, those manufacturers would be available here. You can add an image to them and set the sort orders for them, and then tap here on the save button, and these carousels would be then saved very easily. Now coming to the category section, here you can see that we can save, delete any of the categories there, and you can set up the category, what we say as the category icon and the category image as well. For the categories, you can add the category image by tapping here on this particular icon there, tapping on the edit and uploading the category image. Same goes for the category icon for the mobile end there. So you have to tap here, tap on the edit button, and then you can upload an image for the category icon there. You can also filter out the categories. For example, fashion, I can select that up, and according to that the respective categories would be populated, and I can add the category image and the category icon there by tapping on the edit button. Coming to the custom collections now, here we can add custom collections by tapping here on the add collection. We can delete any of the created collections by tapping on the delete button, first selecting the particular custom collection and then tapping on the delete button thereafter. To add a new custom collection, you have to tap here on the add button at the top right hand corner, and then according to that you'll set up the collection name for your different store views. Then you can create your product collection by choosing the product IDs, and here you can auto select the products that should come under the product collection. If you have chosen the product IDs, you can also choose latest product count there, set the latest product count for the custom collection. You can choose the product attribute as well for creating the product collection. So under the create product collection, you can choose product IDs, latest product count and the product attribute to create a custom collection. And according to the chosen one, you can then tap on the save button to save that particular collection. Now coming to the augmented reality, here you'll be able to find the complete list of augmented reality products that you have added here, and for which you have added the Android file and the iOS file as well. So here to add a new one, just tap here on the add button, and that would bring up the product name. So here you can choose the product name for which you want to add the 3D model or the AR model. Select that particular one, then upload the Android 3D model and the iOS 3D model there. Choose the status as enabled and tap on the save button, and then that particular augmented reality product would be saved here and would be visible to the customers within the mobile app as well. And using the AR, the customers can enjoy that particular product in the augmented reality, and they can with the product within their environment itself. So that was about these options that are the banners, notifications, featured categories, carousels, category, custom collection and the augmented reality. And that was much about the video as well. So I hope that it helped you out in understanding what different options are there and the different configurations that are required for this particular Opencart Multi-Vendor Marketplace mobile application. And I hope it helped you out in understanding the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.huidesk.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.